Captain, on this radiant island beauty glows in many forms, in nature's colors, in the soul's kindness, and in every moment that shines under the open sky. Meaning 1. The quality of being pleasing to the senses or the mind. Beauty means the quality of something that looks, sounds, or feels very nice or attractive. Example, the beauty of the sunset left the whole crew silent. Common use, natural beauty, inner beauty, the beauty of nature. Meaning 2. A beautiful person or thing. Beauty can also mean a person or object that is especially lovely or impressive. Example, that old lighthouse is a real beauty, standing tall after so many storms. Common use, a real beauty, a natural beauty, local beauty. Meaning 3. An excellent feature, advantage, or quality. Beauty can also mean something very good or useful about an idea or situation. Example, the beauty of this new sail design is that it works in any wind. Common use, the beauty of it is, real beauty lies in, unexpected beauty. Captain, let's see how beauty shines in sights, souls, and clever designs on this bright island.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
Splendid work, Captain. See the beauty not just in the view, but in every lesson that carries you to the next island.